We could use it. A lot of the states still recording some abnormally dry conditions or some moderate drought conditions in northern Indiana. So we'll take it. We really haven't seen much at all so far this month. And we're really not seeing much, but some stray showers over across east central Indiana continue to fall. So let's talk about what we've got going on here. This is the light little bit of rain that traveled through the Indianapolis metro about 2 o'clock this morning. It's now falling in between Muncie and Richmond with more organized rainfall over Newcastle along that I-70 corridor into Wayne County. This will continue to work its way off to the east, and I do anticipate the potential of a few lingering showers as a more broad upper level wave kind of tracks through the state today. But there's really not a ton of moisture to go along with that. So not a bad idea to keep that rain gear handy, but just know the main weather story today will be the fact that it remains chilly and breezy at times. 46 as we go through that 10 o'clock hour today, 49 by noon, and looks like later on today we are still only anticipating temperatures to get back into the mid 50s, which is 10 to 15 degrees above average when you take that across the state. 52, your high temperature over in Richmond today, 55 in Greencastle, same deal up in Lafayette. Again, about 67 is where we should be. Today will be the coolest day in the extended forecast, and I wanted to show you where this cloud cover is going to be. This will take us between now and about 2 o'clock this afternoon. Notice these stray showers set up just south of that I-70 corridor. And then the sky is going to try to clear out as we get into the evening tonight. That will take us through 7 o'clock this evening. With that clearing sky, notice where we'll see a little bit of rain lingering and a little bit of cloud cover lingering. That's in northwest Indiana. That northwest wind blowing over Lake Michigan. That's still relatively warm, so that's going to create that lake-enhanced cloud cover, and that's really going to play a role in our temperatures overnight. This will take us through Wednesday. Notice where this cloud cover is going to be. That's basically the area along that 65 corridor where there is not a freeze warning or frost advisory, because our temperature is expected to stay just a few degrees above that threat. Over in east central Indiana, a freeze warning will go into effect overnight for places like Muncie to Richmond, forecasting low temperatures there below that freezing mark, a hard freeze possible. So make sure to bring in those potted plants if you got them over in east central Indiana. And then the rest of the state where this frost advisory is in effect, places like Columbus over to Bloomington, just outside the Indy metro. That's where we could potentially see temperatures dropping to 32 to about 36. We're going to forecast a low 36 here in the Indy metro, some lingering clouds Wednesday morning, but then our sky is going to start to clear. Thing is, with our temperatures tomorrow, despite the fact that we're going to see a little bit more sunshine, we're still going to be influenced by that northwesterly wind. So that's going to keep our temperature down well below average again on Wednesday. With a clear sky again Thursday morning, areas of frost, perhaps a hard freeze, will once again be at play. 61 your high there. Eventually, we will flip the switch on this cool pattern, becoming more seasonal by Friday with daytime highs back in the 70s as we get into the weekend.